Hey everybody, PE School here, back with another Winter Olympic Games station. So this game is called the Slalom Smackdown. So we are going to simulate slalom skiing, so using one ski with both feet. And when the students are at this station, they are going to choose one of the colored small noodles. And whatever color they choose, there's a dot that corresponds with that color, and that is where they start. So the students are going to take the small noodle and they're going to squeeze it in between their feet, acting like it is a slalom ski. So when the students have the noodle squeezed between their shoes or their ankles, they're going to jump with both feet all the way down to their corresponding bowling pin. And then while the noodle is still squeezed in between their feet, they are going to try and twist to smack down the bowling pin with their noodle. After they smack it down, they can pick it back up and put it right back on their dot. And then they can simply walk back to kind of catch their breath. And when they get back, each student will have a pop it to keep their score. So they can pop one dot for each turn. Then they can relax and get their noodle set to try again. So I usually do stations like this for about 3 or 4 minutes. And usually this is a really good one to get the heart pumping. Works on 2-foot jumping. It works on coordination. It definitely works on patience because it is a little bit tricky to keep that slalom ski squeezed between the feet or the ankles. So yeah, Slalom Smackdown, pretty simple little Winter Olympic station activity. I'll have a little demonstration of some students doing it here at the end. Thanks again for watching. Be sure to check out my other Winter Olympic Games videos for some more ideas. I'll see you next time.